another exam style question for ionic bonding. So the question reads, explain why magnesium chloride has a high melting point. So just a couple of things. Explain, we need to say why. So we need to say, why does it have a high melting point? Whenever we are referring to the melting points of any of our structures, we must refer to the energy. That is going to be your final mark. So this question is worth 3 marks. So we just need to explain, firstly, whenever it comes to melting points of ionic compounds, just put in the definition of the ionic compound. So the reason why it has a high melting point, because ionic compounds, so it has strong electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions, because it has many, of course there's going to be lots of them, many strong, so many strong electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. Again, we're referring to ionic bonding. You need to make sure you use this word. So this is probably going to be worth about 2 marks, and for the last mark we need to refer to the energy. So because the melting point is high, therefore you're going to need a lot of energy to overcome and break these bonds. We need to make sure we're using the word a lot and not more. You can't just say more energy is needed, because more is more of a comparative word and you're not comparing this to anything else. You haven't been asked to compare this to another compound and or an element. So we're not going to use the word more, we're going to use just the word a lot is fine. So a lot of energy is needed to overcome these forces to break down the lattice. So a lot of energy, you again need to use this word, or I could say or break down the lattice is fine.